What's going on, guys? It's your boy Landarius back at you with another video. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and change out this filter in here. This reusable filter that I got. Let's see here. Take this thing out. Come off right here. One, two. Look at that. Oh. So this is what it looks like. What the heck is that red crap in here? Oh, I don't know what the heck that is. What is that? Anyway. So with this filter, those reusable filters, what I'll do is take this one out and you can see, I'll grab the other one. Look at that grime and stuff. See all that grime? I don't know what the heck that red stuff is. Who the heck knows? But this is what it looks like when it's clean. So I've cleaned this one before. I'll spray it down and then let it dry. Rinse it, spray it down, then rinse it off, let it dry, and then you got this other stuff that you spray back on it to get it looking like that, just to get it looking back like that. So you can tell the difference. So, but I'll get it looking like this once it started getting a little warm out here and I'm messing around with the water hose and the water pressure, the compressor. So you can see the difference again. This is the clean one. This is the dirty one. And then I get it looking back like this one. So let me stick this one back in there. But yeah, look at all the grime right there. So, and you just keep reusing these instead. It saves you money instead of keep on them getting you new filters and stuff like that, charging you for filter after filter, which I thought was pretty cool. That back in there. This thing is in the back. Where does that go? Does that hook up to something? I hope not. It was just sitting back there. I don't think it hooks up to nothing. They be speeding down this street like it ain't nothing. Nah, I guess it just sits back there in the back like that. So, get this back on here. All right, that's it. It's back on there. Oh, it's gonna breathe a little bit better. Then I'll get that oil change. It's gonna breathe a little bit better. One step at a time. One step at a time. Anyway, guys, check me out on the next video. I'll get back with you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to share it. And don't forget to hit that notification so when I drop a new video, you get notified. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm almost there to 1,000. I think I'm at 930, 929, something like that. Yeah, I'm keeping track. Anyway, if you're looking at this video, go ahead and smash that subscription button. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.